We're three caballeros, yes, three caballeros.
Hello everyone, this is Rugveda Karthik SS from the Three Caballeros, and today we are going to see paleontology. So let's get started. Today we are going to see section D. Section D comprises of dinosaurs, starting with the letter D. So we have our first dinosaur, Daspletosaurus. It is theropod, it is biped, it is carnivorous, it is found in the Cretaceous time period. The meaning of its name is frightful lizard. Its size is given here. It's not accurate. It's just unknown value, just for visualizing it. Next, we have Dienonychus. It's a theropod, it is biped, it is carnivorous, it is found in the Cretaceous time period. Meaning of its name is terrible claws. So, name according to its appearance. So, I'll just highlight the claws here. Hope you are able to see. And here in the hands, they're all terrible claws. Next, it has very sharp toe claw, which is used to pierce through things. So its size is different. Yeah, and in this animated picture, we can see the actual appearance of this terrible toe claw. Next, we have Dienosuchus. It's a crocodile. It is a quadruped. It is carnivorous. It is found in the Cretaceous time period. The meaning of its name is terrible crocodile. So again, terrible crocodile. So I just go back to the previous slide. So here in this name, Dino is there, D-I-E-N-O. And when you see in the Dienosuchus name, again there is D-I-E-N-O. So we can infer that Dino means terrible, because we just learned that Dienonychus is terrible claws and Dienosuchus is terrible crocodile. So that root word dino, we can understand from it that dino means terrible claws, not R-D-I-N-O, that is for dinosaurs. This is D-I-E-N. So we can understand it's terrible. So same way, there are some other names that Saurus is there, S-A-U-R-U-S, for every most of the dinosaurs, like there's Palaeontology, Daspletosaurus. That Saurus means lizard. So in every name of a dinosaur where there is Saurus, you have to understand that some kind of lizard is its meaning. And then we can also understand that in Dienonychus, Dino is terrible, so Nychus is claws. And then in Dienosuchus, Dino is terrible, so Suchus is crocodile. And there is even one more root word like that called raptor. Raptor means thief. So that is oviraptor, there is changuraptor, there is earaptor. So like that, there are some dinosaurs with the root word of raptor. So we can understand that wherever there is a raptor in a name of a dinosaur, it means thief. It is a silent killer, as it just comes out of the water and bites through a dinosaur which comes to drink some water. Just show you my hands. I think this is a dinosaur. This is a dinosaur and its head and legs. And this is the Dienosuchus. So I think this is the face of the crocodile. So when the dinosaur comes to drink some water, this Dienosuchus silently comes out of the water and he grabs the head. And nicely ingests the dinosaur. So that is how Dienosuchus eats. So there is another fact that whenever a crocodile is seen in water, it is most powerful than when it is in land. So I think that in land it has no much of water to cool off its blood because of crocodile is a cold-blooded animal. So when it becomes cold-blooded in the water, because water is used as a coolant, it has a lot of energy that goes in through its body. So in the water, it is more energetic. But when it comes to the land, it becomes the temperature of its blood rises because of the heat of the sun. So it is not much powerful when you see it. So I think it like that. So take this as my hypothesis. So I state something and there is a chance of it being true or false. So we'll see. And the size is given here. It is a huge crocodile. So the dinosaurs and all are reptiles. So most of the reptiles you can see here, like the Dienosuchus, which is a crocodile, and you'll find some lizards and insects. And birds are also a very close relative of a dinosaur. That's why I'm speaking about birds as well. And some mammals also. I'm speaking like the Simolestes, which I told, and Castrocauda are the creatures that lived during the time of the dinosaur. Next, we have Dilophosaurus. It's terrible, isn't it? So it's a theropod biped carnivorous. It is from the Jurassic time period. The meaning of its name is double-crested lizard. It has frills which are used to show off to other dinosaurs. So I'll just highlight the frills. So I just covered them with green color. Here you can just have a look. So this is all the frill part. And its size is given. And one more thing, I don't really know if it show off or not, but if I would be a Dilophosaurus in that time, I would show off very nicely with my frills. Next is Dimetrodon. It is like a crocodile. I'm not stating that it is a crocodile, it is like a crocodile. It is quadruped, carnivorous. It is from the Permian Zoic era. I hope you people all remember what I have taught in the time periods video. If not, I'll leave the link in the description below. Please watch it. So we'll draw some timeline boxes here so to make you understand. So I think I'm done. This is the Permian Zoic era. And this is the Mesozoic era. So in Mesozoic era, you have Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous time periods. So in this, whatever is to the left is said to be earlier time in the timeline. So Permian Zoic era is before Mesozoic era. So it is before the Triassic. So after Palaeontology era, Mesozoic era started. So the first part in the Mesozoic era is the Triassic, then came Jurassic and Cretaceous. It has a big fan-like frill on its back, which helps it to cool off on hot summer days. So you will be seeing many dinosaurs like that, which have some special characteristic features, which are used to cool themselves in hot summer days, like Stegosaurus or Kentrosaurus. And the meaning of its name is 2 measures of teeth. Its size is also given. Next is Diplodocus. It is a sauropod, quadruped, herbivorous. It is from the Jurassic time period. It had its nose on its head, just like the Brachiosaurus. And they both are from the same time period. So I think like dinosaurs from the same time period have some kind of characteristic features relating to each other. So Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus are from the same time period. So I think they have some kind of characteristic that they have a nose on it. Predators often get confused thinking Diplodocus is a big mountain. So this big stomach part is there of this Diplodocus, right? So taking its huge size into consideration, we can say that predators would have got confused thinking it's a mountain. But later they would have measured that it's a Diplodocus if they had seen its face, legs, and tail. It is just a theory that predators would have got confused because of its huge size. We just don't know because nobody was there in that time such as humans who had a really wonderful, knowledgeable, informative brain which could catch all the important features and remember and pass it on to new generations like how humans do. But there was nobody like that. So whatever we have got from the fossils and bones that have been excavated, on that we derive its characteristics and its name and all the theories that people and other scientists and people like me have given their thoughts. Meaning of its name is double beam. Its size is given here. The last dinosaur of today is Dreadnoughtus. Yeah, this G and H are silent. Dreadnoughtus. Like how 8, fight. Those words are the same way. G and H are silent. It's a sauropod, quadruped, herbivorous, fixed from the Cretaceous time period. It frightened every dinosaur and it used to crush its predator with its powerful legs. Yeah, this is also again a theory that it has some powerful legs. See here, these are its powerful legs. It can easily crush any dinosaur who tries to eat it. So the meaning of its name is fear nothing. So it does not fear any predator. It just crushes it nicely with its legs and then safely leaves itself. And its size is also given. In this picture, colorful, bright colored Dreadnoughtus is given, but maybe the real Dreadnoughtus would look like this. Question of the day. Which has a fan-like frill which is used to cool off on summer days? So you have to guess what feature that is, and you don't have to comment this answer. You will be getting the answer in the next video. And the question that was given in the previous video of section C that will be revealed in this video. So I will show you that question of section C, that is, who is the ancestor of the modern day star? So the answer is Semolestes. For those who have listened to the video of section C very nicely, they would have easily guessed this answer on that day which they have watched this video. It is Semolestes. Semolestes, after a long period of time, evolved into this big modern day dog. So it took a lot of time. Evolution. That is the word or key phrase that is used. So Semolestes evolved into the big modern day dog. I think I will reveal the answer of previous video's question and I will go back. Here I'll just revise the question of this video. Which has a fan-like frill which is used to cool off on summer days? So this case a dinosaur or a creature. This section D video. Don't go to the Stegosaurus and Kentrosaurus that I've mentioned in this video. some dinosaur feature mentioned in this section, this video, is answer to this question. So this question's answer will be revealed in the next video when we go on to section E. So this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. I'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye.